Hello, this is Sherry Roach. We're going to do an experiment today using the things on this board. Okay, if you can see that. We are going to need a plastic cup, fabric, rubber band, eyedropper, rubbing alcohol, Sharpie pens, and you'll need a little bit of adult supervision. So here's my alcohol and my Sharpie pens, my eyedropper. And you can either use a cloth like handkerchief or fabric, or you can even use coffee filter. So what we're going to do today, oh, and rubber bands. Here's rubber band. Okay. I'm going to cover this cup and put the rubber band around it. Okay. Now I've got my Sharpie pens. And this one is red, we have yellow and blue. So I'm going to just decorate this really quick, putting dots all around it. And I've got blue and yellow also. And here's yellow. And now I have blue. I think that's good enough decorating. Now this is the dropper that has the alcohol in it, and you're going to drop somewhere between 10 and 20 drops of rubbing alcohol. And I'm dropping them on the dots. And it's going to take somewhere between 3 and 5 minutes for this to dry. But you want to put a fairly good amount of drops on the fabric. Now this is kind of what it's starting to do. And you need to say to yourself, why is this happening? There's reason for this to be happening. And it has to do with the markers and the rubbing alcohol. Sharpie markers are permanent and they have alcohol in them. And when you put the drops of alcohol on the Sharpie marker, it starts to smear. It actually looks pretty. This is one I did earlier. You can see it makes all different kinds of design. If you wanted to do this with a t-shirt, you can use a white cotton t-shirt. But then you also need to make sure you have adult supervision. But then after you've done your t-shirt and you've let it dry, you can wash it and dry it, and it should stay. Thank you, and have a nice day. And I think it's done. I hope it's done. I'm not going to be happy if it's not. I think it was about almost 4.5 minutes.